We all eat popcorns one time or another, especially while watching movies. But is popcorn actually healthy for you, or should you restrict the amount of popcorns you consume? Well, today we'll be analyzing this snack to its very core to truly discover each and everything that brings with itself. Starting off with a simple answer to your question: yes, popcorns are healthy for you, as long as you don't indulge yourself in the habit of overeating them. Moreover, popcorn is also quite fiber rich, low in calories, contain a ton of protein, contain vitamins and minerals, are low in fat and sugar, and have been linked with weight loss as well as removing the risks of quite a few heart diseases. But this is the case for the conventional salty popcorns. This should be made clear as there are quite a few different variations that are rather quite high in calories, like the caramel popcorn, and can do more bad than good. So, yes, for those of you who are trying to lose weight, salted popcorns can be a healthy companion to you losing weight. But it is also necessary to mention that unpacked fresh popcorns are usually the best way to go. So it is also recommended that you make your own popcorns at home. Now that we have dealt about some benefits of popcorns, let's look into a good way you can make popcorns at home. The process is rather quite easy. You start off by putting 3 tablespoons of olive oil into a pot. Then you fill it up with half a cup of popcorn kernels, which you can find from any nearby general store. And then you just add a bit of salt, like half a teaspoon of salt. All that is left now is to light the stove up, cover the pot up, or the popcorns will come shooting out of the pot. A fun fact to note at this point is that popcorns can jump up to 3 feet high while they are being prepared. This is due to the air pressure built in while popcorns are being heated. So you definitely need to cover the pot, and your popcorns will be ready in a matter of 3 to 4 minutes. That's about it for this video. If you found this video interesting, do consider liking and subscribing, and if you have any related queries, feel free to use the comment section below and we'll get back right at you.